Yes, hello students. Last three examples remaining. From the miscellaneous examples, I'm solving this because such kind of examples may be also asked for your examination for 3 marks. Okay. What are these three questions? So the first question is given here. A college is awarded with 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and 20 in cricket. Okay. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports, how many received the medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? Okay, so first thing, you read the question properly, analyze the question, write down what is given things. Okay, so these kind of examples can easily be solved by using Venn diagrams. Okay, so first thing what I'll do, I'll write the given things. 38 medals in football. So I write N of F is equal to 38. Okay, how many are the medals are received in football? 38. Next, 15 in basketball. So I write N of B. Basketball is equal to 15. Okay, then next, cricket, N of C. I write it as how much? 20. So I've written all the things. N of F is 38. Okay, then N of B, that is basketball, is 15. And N of C is given as 20. Then what is given to you? If the total men, how many are there? 58 men are there. That is what? Union of all these. F union B union C. All together how many are there? 58 are there. Okay, next. And only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports. In all the 3 means what? Intersection of all these. In all these 3, if they take, how many are there? 3. Okay, so given things first ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 38 medals football ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ, 15 medals basketball, cricket ನಾಗ 20 medals ಬಂದಿದ. And total ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? Combining of all the sets. So ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾರ? 58 ಇದಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು medals in all the 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರ? 3. This is given to you. Now I am going to use the formula. You know the formula? N of F union B union C is equal to, I have told you, N of A union B union C. That formula I am going to use here. So this is equal to N of F plus N of B plus N of C. Okay. Minus N of F intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of F intersection C. Means first these two, then first and last intersection, plus N of F intersection B intersection C. This is the formula for 3 union of sets. I had told you N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So using this formula, what are the given things? This is given 58 is equal to N of F given 38. Okay. N of B is also given 15 plus N of C is also given 20. Minus. These things are not known to you. N of F intersection B, B intersection C and F intersection C. This is what you have to find. Exactly 2 sports. So 2 sports ali ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? How many have received the medal in total you have to write. So these terms I write it as it is. N of F intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of F intersection C. ಇವು 3 terms ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. So as it is ಬರಿತೀನಿ. Plus all the 3 have received the medals. How many have received? 3. Okay, now I make a total of all these. 58 is equal to 38 plus 15 plus 20. If you do, how much you get? So I think probably you will get 76. So 76. 38 plus 15 plus 38 plus 35 plus 3. You get 76. Minus these terms as it is, F intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of F intersection C. So, ive mooru terms as it is itini. So, this one and this I have added. Okay. Now, I shift all these minus signs towards the left hand side. So, left hand side shift ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so what it becomes, N of F intersection B plus N of B intersection C plus N of F intersection C is equal to, how much is there? 76. This 58, if it comes this side, minus 58 is equal to 18. So, this is what, how many are liking or how many have received the medals in 2 sports. Okay, I want how many have received the medals in exactly 2 sports. So, what do? I solve this by using Venn diagrams. So, how many are there total? 3 are there. So, 3 I take it here. 3 circles I have to draw. Okay, to draw the Venn diagram. This is football, this is basketball, and this is cricket. So, this whole circle indicates what? It is football. This is what? It is basketball. And this is cricket. Okay. So, how many have received the medals in all the 3? 3. So, ಮೂರುದು intersection point ಯಾವುದು? This point. So, I write it 3 here. Next, F intersection B, I don't know. I write it A. Next, this is what? F intersection C, I don't know this. I take it as C. B. B intersection C is also not known to me. I'll take that letter as C. Okay, you can take any letters or you can keep it as it is also. So, F intersection B. If you want, you have to take this part. Now, intersection ಮಾಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗ. If you draw 2 circles like this, when you are drawing Venn diagram, this portion indicates what? This is intersection. Correct? So, this whole middle portion will be what? Intersection. So, ee diagram olaga F B ada, F intersection B will be what? This part. So, this is what? A plus 3. Okay, next B intersection C. B and C are here. B intersection C is this part, this portion you can see. So, it is what? It is C plus 3 plus F intersection C. This is F and this is C. F intersection C, if you see how much it is? B plus 3 is equal to 18. It is given here 18. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to how much? 9. A plus B plus C plus 9 is equal to 18. So, A plus B plus C is equal to 18 minus 9, which is equal to 9. What is A? F intersection B. What is B? What is C? B intersection C. What is B? F intersection C. So, F intersection C na ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ? B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ. B intersection C ನ C ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ. F intersection B ನ A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ. So, A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 9. ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ? How many received the medal in exactly 2 sports? So, 2 sports ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 9 members. Okay. 2 sports means this only. Either it may be football and basketball, or it may be basketball and cricket, or it may be football and cricket. These are what? 2 sports. Out of how many? 3 sports. So, out of 2 sports, how many are there? So, 9 have received the medals. Okay. So, this is how you are going to solve it by using Venn diagram. Okay. Next, second question. Second question also, it is given everything. Just look at the question here. In a survey of 60 people, it was found 25 people will read newspaper H, 26 will read newspaper I, and 26 will read newspaper, sorry, this is T, I'm sorry, T, and 26 will read newspaper I. 9 will read both H and I. 11 will read both H and T. 8 will read both T and I. And 3 will read all the 3 newspapers. Okay. Now, what you have to find is, you have to find the number of people who will read at least one of the newspaper. That is first question. Second question, number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So, at least one of the newspaper andra, ಈ ಮೂರು HTI, ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ ಅವರು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ H ಯೂನಿಯನ್ T ಯೂನಿಯನ್ I. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so now what I am going to write, first thing, given things ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Number of people reading newspaper H, how many are there? 25. Okay, number of people reading newspaper T, how many? 26. Number of people reading newspaper I, 26. So you can see the questions here. Number of people reading newspaper H is 25, T is 26, and 26 are reading newspaper I. Next, H and I means N of H intersection I. Both means H intersection I. How many are reading? 9. Number of reading both H and T, 11. Number of people reading H and T, it is 11. Next, number of people reading newspaper T and I. Number of T intersection I. How many are reading? 8. Okay. All the 3 newspapers means H intersection T intersection I is equal to 3. So I have written all the given things now. 9 read H and I. So H intersection I is 9. 11 read H and T. H intersection T is 11. And 8 will read T and I. So T and I, 8. 3 will read all the 3 newspapers. So H intersection T intersection I is equal to 3. Okay. First question I am finding out the number of people who will read at least one of the newspaper. So I write the formula N of H union T union I is equal to N of H plus N of T plus N of I minus N of H intersection I minus N of H intersection T minus N of T intersection I plus N of H intersection T intersection I. Please remember this formula. First ellanu add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು separately, then intersections of by taking 2, then again adding all the intersections. So this is what at least one of the newspaper. Okay, this means what? Either he may read H or he may read T or he may read I. At least one of the newspaper. First question. Okay, so now I write all these given things. So it is everything is given 25 plus 26 plus 26 minus 9 minus 11 minus 8 plus 3. All the things are given to you. Here you have to write the given things. Everything is given. So now add it. How much answer you get? You just check it out. So if you add all these things, 25 plus 26 plus 26 plus 3, you get 80. Minus 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. So you get 80 minus 28, which is equal to 52. So 52 people will read at least one newspaper. Now what I want, how many will read exactly one newspaper? So exactly one newspaper ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ intersections ಎಲ್ಲಾನು remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. Okay, to remove that I'm going to use the concept of Venn diagram here. Can you see? So I have taken 3 Venn diagrams. What are the newspapers? H, T and I. So this circle is indicating H, this is indicating T, and this is indicating I. Okay. All the 3 intersection comes here. How many are there? 3. Here it is given. All the 3 intersection is how much? 3 I have written. H intersection T is how much? 11. 11 ಏನು? ಇದು total 11 ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. 11 minus 3 will be equal to how much? 8. So total H intersection T is how much? 8 plus 3, 11. Next, H and I have to go. H and I. H intersection I is how much? 9. So this is already 3 here. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. So this total will be equal to 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Next, T intersection I Martin. T intersection I is how much? 8. This is already 3 here. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Total this is how much? 5. So these intersections I have to remove. So intersection andre who are reading 2 newspapers. If I remove the 2 newspapers, then I will get how many are reading? Exactly 1 newspaper. So exactly 1 newspaper I want. So what I do, from reading at least one of the newspaper, I subtract all these intersection part. 52 minus 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, if I remove all these intersection part, then I will get how many are reading? Exactly 1 newspaper. So 52 minus. So if you add all these, 8 plus 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. 52 minus 22 is equal to 30. So 30 people will read exactly 1 newspaper. So first one question another, at least one of the newspaper. So using formula, you're going to find it H union T union I. This is what at least one of the newspaper. Andre aur H aru odbodu, T aru odbodu, athwa I aru odbodu. So it is equal to how much you are getting? 52. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Exactly 1 newspaper ಕೇಳಾರ. So ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Intersection part ಎಲ್ಲ remove ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. H intersection I. This is H intersection I. ಎಷ್ಟದ ಇದೆ? Total 9 ಅದ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಏನಿದು? All the 3 newspapers it is 3. So 3 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? All the 3 intersection part ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. H intersection I. 6 plus 3 is 9. Next, H intersection T. This is H and this is T. ಎಷ್ಟದ ಇದು? 11. So 8 plus 3, 11. 8 ಅದ ಇದು. So total 8 ಒಳಗ 3 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5. 5 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 8 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇರಿ 8 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಒಂದನ್ನೇ 8 ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 6 plus 3, 9. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು intersection ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 2 newspapers. Either H and T, H and I or T and I. So if you remove those all intersections from the exactly to get 1 newspaper, so at least one of the newspaper ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದಾರ? 52 ಇದಾರ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ intersection part ಎಲ್ಲ remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 30. So 30 people are reading exactly 1 newspaper. Okay. So this is second example. So last one more example is remaining. So this examples usually they have asked few times. Very simple one again. In a survey, it was found 21 people liked product A, 26 liked product B, and 29 liked product C. If 14 people liked A and B, 12 liked C and A, 14 likes B and C, and 8 people like all the 3 products. So what you have to find how many people are liking product C only. So how many likes product C anta kelar? Here it is already given 29 likes product C. But there is a difference between how many likes product C and how many likes product C only. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಮೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Okay, so first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, when the question is given you have to write the given things. N of A, to write the given things you will get 1 mark, to write the formula you get 1 mark. Okay, so N of A is equal to 21, N of B, number of people liking product B, is 26, and number of people liking product C is 29. Next, A and B both. Number of people liking A and B both. How many? 14. Number of people liking C and A both. It is how much? 12. And number of people liking B and C. It is how much? 14. Okay. Then how many are liking all the three? A intersection B intersection C. It is how much? It is equal to 8. This is very simple. Using Venn diagrams, you get it very easily. So first, I draw the Venn diagram here. So this is product A, this is product B, and this is product C. So from this product A, B, C, how many are there? 8. Okay, 8 are liking all the three. So I have written 8. Next, A and B, how many are liking? 14. So I want A and B. This is A and B. 14. 14 minus 8 I have to write here 6. So 6 plus 8 gives you 14. C and A. C and A. How many are there? 12. So I have to write here 4. 4 plus 8, 12. Next, B and C. It is again 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So everything I have written using Venn diagrams. So nanagén ಕೇಳಾರ question, how many are liking product C only? So total ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ product C ನ like ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ? N of C is how much? 29. From this N of C, what I have to do? I have to take out the products which are liking the C products. So C product only like ಮಾಡಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. Only like ಮಾಡಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು I have to consider this part and this part. Why? Here also C is there. Here also C is there. Here also C is there. A intersection B, it is not related to me because here C does not come only. I want how many are liking only C. So wherever C is there, I have to subtract that part. Okay. To subtract that part, what you have to do? So now consider wherever C is there. A intersection B is not related to me. I leave this part. Only these three are related to me. So 29 minus this one. 4 plus 8 plus 6. So 29 minus 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18 is equal to 11. So 11 people likes only product C. ಈಗ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಸಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಕೇಳಾರ ಅವ್ರ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ 29. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ N of A intersection B intersection C. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ LLC ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, you have to subtract that part. So which all products are containing C here? So this one 4, it is A intersection C. Then this is 8, all the 3 intersection. B intersection C is 6. So from these 29 people, I am subtracting this part. So 11 people will like only product C. So this completes overall the chapter set theory. With these 3 miscellaneous examples. These 3 whatever I have solved examples, please practice them well. So for 3 marks, they may ask any one from that. And remember that there will be no outside questions. All the questions will be asked from your NCERT textbook only for your examination point of view. Miscellaneous also they may ask or may not ask. From few chapters they are going to ask, that is from set theory and some other chapters are there. So from set theory, whichever questions are asked for your examination, I have solved them. Okay. So complete set theory chapter is completed. So we shall keep the text. I'll send you the portions. I will also give you some assignment questions related to first chapter. Thank you.